Your power tool uses a basic switch that breaks the circuit on both the hot and neutral wires. After thousands of cycles and years of use, the switch will wear out. Testing for a bad switch can be easily done using a multimeter. Replacing the on-off switch is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the rear motor cover. Now remove the cord wires from the switch. I'll turn the grinder over and pull the wires away from the housing. Now remove the switch. I'll pull the tabs back on the housing and push the switch from below. Now I'll use a pair of pliers to depress the switch and pull the link arm away from it. Now I can remove the switch from the housing. As I do this, I want to be careful not to damage the wires that lead to the motor. With the switch removed, I'll remove the motor wires. Now I can install the new switch. I'll connect the motor wires and slide the switch back into the housing. Again, being careful to not damage the wires. Again, I'll depress the switch with my pliers and put the link arm over the top of the switch. Now I'll reinstall the cord wires. I'll wrap the wires through the holders and secure them with the screws. I'll finish up by reinstalling the rear motor housing. And now you know how to replace the on-off switch on your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.